Welcome to the Weld Strength Calculator for Fillet Weld Sizing, which determines the load capacity and stress levels for fillet welds. Let's start with the drop-down menus. For electrode and allowable shear stress, you can select from 6 options ranging from E60XX at 124 MPa up to E110XX at 200 MPa. I'm using E70XX at 145 MPa for this demonstration. For number of welds, you can choose either single fillet weld or double fillet weld on both sides. I've selected double fillet weld. Now for the input fields. Enter your weld leg size in millimeters. I'm using 6 millimeters. Next, input the weld length in millimeters. I'll enter 100 millimeters. Finally, there's an optional field for applied force in newtons for stress checking. I'm entering 50,000 newtons. After clicking Calculate, the calculator provides several key outputs. You'll see the total weld area based on your leg size and length. The maximum allowable force shows the load capacity for your weld configuration. When you've entered and applied force, it calculates the actual shear stress and compares it to the allowable stress, indicating whether your weld design is adequate. This tool helps ensure your fillet welds meet safety requirements. Find the link in the description below.